We are now at this point for the setup process. We click next. And if we hear the thing saying ready to connect, we can go ahead, or we can select the reset button in the back of the device itself. We're going to say we heard ready to connect, and it's going to ask us to log into a specific network and then give us a QR code. So we're going to say QR code and try and scan it. And because I waited so long, I'm probably going to have to reset this. So, all right, because I waited so long, it stopped saying ready to connect. So I have it saying ready to connect. I have the QR code ready.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
It just said QR code scan, please wait. I select I heard that, and then we say waiting until it connects to my network, which I plugged in that information ahead of time. So we'll see what happens. We'll give it a minute to connect, since this is sitting on my IoT network.
Setup completed.
So it just said setup completed. I got a notification right there. It says doorbell is connected to Alex A. Next, we give it a name, so we're just going to say front doorbell. We're going to cheat and just say that and select next. The thing we need to do after this, well, first it's asking, do we want to share it? We're going to say no. So it says status check. Please confirm that your doorbell has a solid blue light for normal status, flashing blue and purple, motion detected. So it detected motion. That's what it's doing right now. So it's detecting me. So we're going to say next. We can then attach it to the wall plate again. I suggest you do it ahead of time because I tried doing it without and it was just a pain. We're going to select next. We have successfully done it. Next, we're going to add the chime. So for the chime, we're going to go inside because we don't actually need to be outside for that portion. All right, ignore the horrible mess at the bottom of my stairs, but here we have our Wyze chime, and our next step in the installation process is adding that. So we're going to select add a chime. So we're going to pair chime. We're going to hit next. So we're going to plug this in to the wall right here and then give that a moment. So it's flashing, or it flashed orange and then blue. And then we're going to wait and see. If it stays a steady blue, we may have to push the button on top here in order for it to go into a pairing mode, but it's going to give us a countdown timer here on the application. Now I may not actually make it wait, and I will force it to go into a pairing mode. And there we go, phone is back on, it's in a pairing mode, and hopefully that means that it will connect shortly. All right, we're starting again. We're going to tell it to reset, and there we go, it's in the reset pairing mode. And that super loud noise was it actually pairing to your doorbell chime. So we can select finish, and then that's the exterior of my home, and the chime itself is now connected to that doorbell. You can have more than one chime per doorbell, which is handy in case you need to have them in multiple locations. So this is the one good thing about bypassing the chime box and having these, but I still kind of wish that they gave you the option to use the chime box if you wanted to. But I see why they do this. You can have more than one of these.